Welcome to Buy, Hold, Sell. My name's Matthew Kidman. Today I'm joined by David Allingham from Eli Griffiths and Dawn Cornelius from Colonial First State. We are swimming against the tide. Supposedly that's a good way to make money, but it seems awfully hard. Dawn, start with you. Super retail, in that terrible retail market at the moment, puts out good results, stock goes down. Buy, hold or sell?
It's a sell. The multiples are undemanding, but with that result it announced high capex. It's trying to defend itself against Amazon. It has balance sheet debt and sales coming off into the future means negative profits. Yeah.
Dave, looks cheap. Buy, hold or sell?
Dawn's got this one right. It's a sell. Look, I think margin pressure's building there. I think the market's got margins rising and they will rise a little bit, but over time I think that's the issue with super cheap.
Okay, entertainment's supposed to be a good area, but Arden's been through the ringer and back. Buy, hold or sell?
That one's a sell. We've got it wrong a couple of times, more than once. Look, I think down here, I think the stock's going to $1.20. I think there's balance sheet issues. I think the stock wouldn't be where it was without the Ariadne sort of strategic appeal. I think those guys have a different investing time horizon than the majority of investors. So I think that is a sell.
Noise everywhere, on the board, in their assets. Buy, hold or sell to Arden?
Ardent is a sell. Main event, they keep investing in it, still to deliver positive like-for-like sales. So why are they investing in it? The other area that's concerned is Dreamworld. The unfortunate events there mean that asset's clouded and still to deliver free cash flow.
Okay, your chance to tell us where you're pushing the barrow up the hill. What's a contrarian stock?
Look, a contrarian stock I think is in the property sector, Pete & Company, based out of Perth. Look, its stock's trading thereabouts NTA. 50% of its earnings come from funds management, so I think there's great undervalued upside there. And, I think the WA thematic's strong and it's generating a lot of cash at the moment. So for the first time, that stock's de-geared and in great shape.
Dawn, your chance. What's something that looks good, but it's contrarian at the moment?
Scottish Pacific, it's a recent IPO. It's an independent challenger in the debtor finance industry. Its main competitors are the banks, for which this area is not a focus. The company is trading on a discount to the market and its peers. It's generating excellent free operating cash flow, which it can give back to shareholders in the form of dividends. And it's a GDP-linked business, which once again is trading on 12 times multiple.
It's back-breaking and it's friendless, but to be a contrarian seems like it's a good place to make money.